Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes USB drive format option missing, fix it fast on Windows 11. Open Device Manager. Uninstall device. Click Action, click Scan for hardware changes. Click Action, click Refresh. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.